sorry, something happened. So 250 times 5, it will give you 1250, and so on. It will keep on going. There are other types of sequence when you have something getting reduced by a common fraction, or like your the ratio is a fraction. So when you multiply first term with the next term, you're getting something smaller. Similarly here, there is some common ratio which is not very obvious right now, and there's a change in sign. No matter how complicated this question seems, all you need to do is take your second term and divide it, your first term, by it. So negative 4 over 3 divided by 4 over 9. Okay. Now we have to remember to keep change flip to simplify this, or better yet, you can always use your calculator. So just make sure that you are using parentheses to simplify. So my first term is actually my second term is negative 4 over 3, so I will use parentheses negative 4 over 3. What did I do? 4 over 3 divided by, again, parentheses, 4 over 9, parentheses closed. Now make sure that since I am dividing a whole fraction by a whole fraction, I'm using parentheses to let my calculator know what to do exactly. Otherwise, it will apply the order of operation and your answer will be wrong. So just press enter. It gives me negative 3. Now I will write it here. The common ratio is multiplying it by negative 3. Now double check by take the next term and divide it by the previous one. So I can divide 4 divided by now this term is negative 4 over 3, so I'll make sure that I'm using parentheses, negative 4 over 3, and it gives me negative 3. So I am confirmed that negative 3 is my common ratio. So if you need to find the next term, what do you have to multiply 4 with? You have to multiply it by negative 3. So 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. That would be my next term. If your common ratio has a negative, make sure, just notice that your signs are changing from positive to negative, negative to positive, and so on. Sometimes you have all negative sequence. For example, negative 2, then negative 4, then negative 8, and so on. It means that I'm multiplying this 2 with positive 2, and then I'm multiplying this 4 with positive 2 again. So the common ratio is positive 2 because all of these are negative. But when the sign are switching, it means that my common ratio is negative. You don't need to worry about all that. Once you do your correctly do second term divided by the first term and you get your correct ratio, that's it. All you need to do is to multiply by the common ratio and you should be good.